Well, hi everybody. We have the iLight. It's rechargeable iLight eye care lead book light, and this is how it comes in the box. Let's take it out, shall we? How's everybody doing? I am doing fine. Doing my Wednesday reviews. Ari's behind me, helping me to do my review. And it has two ways to. This is for reading, so you can put this. Let me check this all out. You can put this on your book like this, or up above your book like this, and it's got two different lights. Oh, and the lights are on already. See, the lights are on, so I don't even have to plug it in. But it's got two ways to use it. It's got two ways to use it. It's got the plug-in that you plug into your computer, or it's got the regular plug that you plug into the wall. So that's really good. And I like to read at night, so sometimes it's, even though my husband and I do have separate rooms because of my illness, he does come in and everything, whatnot. So even before that, I did not like to disturb him. So again, these lights are nice, and they have two different. There's this one, and then we do it again. This one, and then this one. But it has two different sets, and that's good. So again, this is the iLight Rechargeable. Lead book light. Got two ways to plug it in. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. Happy Wednesday. Bye-bye.